So here on the screen we have question number 16 and is asking what is bisexual flower? Also collect 5 bisexual flowers from your neighborhood and with the help of your teacher find out their common and scientific names. So in this question we have to clarify, we have to give definition of what is bisexual flowers first of all. Then we have to collect the examples of 5 bisexual flowers along with the common and scientific names of them. So first of all, the answer of this question is like what is actually bisexual flowers. So bisexual flowers are those flowers which contains both reproductive structures or reproductive organs in it, that is male reproductive organ and as well as female reproductive organ. If any flower is containing female reproductive organ as well as male reproductive organ inside it, then this flower is said to be bisexual flowers. And if we talk about the unisexual flowers, the unisexual flower only having one type of reproductive organ, either it may be male reproductive organ or it may be female reproductive organ. Those kind of flowers are said to be unisexual flowers, but we have to give examples of bisexual flowers here as this question is asking about bisexual flower. So we know that what are bisexual flowers and unisexual flowers? So bisexual flowers are those which contain both type of reproductive organs inside it, that is male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ. In case of flowering plants or angiospermic plants, if we talk about the female reproductive part, the female reproductive part is carpel or pistil, and in case of males, the male reproductive organ is stamen, which is consisting of anther and filament, and the carpel or pistil, which is a female reproductive organ, is composed of 3 things, that is stigma, style and ovary. Now here we comes with the examples. We have some examples of bisexual flower, that is rose, lily, tulip, sunflower and daffodil. So now we are going to write about the answer of question number 16. First we have to answer the bisexual flower. What is bisexual flower? So bisexual flowers are the flowers which contains both male and female reproductive structures or reproductive organs, such as stamen, which is a male reproductive organ consisting of 2 parts, that is anther and filament, and such as stamen and pistil or carpel, Pistil and carpel are both same things. These 2 are the names for female reproductive organs. So bisexual flowers are the flowers which contain both male and female reproductive organs in it, such as stamens, which is composed of anther and filament, and pistil or carpel, which is composed of stigma, style and ovary. Alright, so if we talk about the examples here, we have to give 5 examples of bisexual flowers. First is lily, which is a common name and is a flower, of course, which is a bisexual flower. If we talk about the scientific name of lily, Then the scientific name is Lilium longiflora. Longiflora. So Lilium longiflora is the scientific name for a bisexual flower known as lily. Then second we have is rose. Which is also a bisexual flower, and the scientific name for rose is Rosa indica. Now why I have written the first letter of second word in small? Because it is a rule for nomenclature of writing scientific names of any living organism. Now the third example of a bisexual flower we have is tulip. Third example we have tulip, and the scientific name for tulip is Tulipa gesneriana. So Tulipa gesneriana is a scientific name for tulip. Alright, the fourth example we have is sunflower. And this is also a bisexual flower. This is also a bisexual flower. And if we talk about the scientific name of sunflower, it will Helianthus annus. This is the scientific name for sunflower. And the last we have is daffodil, which is also a bisexual flower. That means all these flowers, lily, rose, tulip, sunflower, daffodil, all these are the bisexual flowers. That means they all are containing both reproductive organs, such as male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ, that is stamen and pistil or carpel. So if we talk about the scientific name of daffodil, then it is Narcissus. It is S-U-S-S. Jonquilla. So this is the scientific name for daffodil, and all are the examples of bisexual flowers on the screen. So this is the complete solution, complete answer for question number 16 on the screen.